Welcome to the Global Commerce Academy, your trusted source for 100% free CMA USA lectures. In this video, we'll cover Chapter 2, Data Governance, Privacy and Ethics, part of Part 1, Technology and Analytics. Data governance is the formal orchestration of people, processes, and technology to manage an organization's data assets. It's not a one-time project or a software tool, it's an ongoing strategic program. Think of it as your company's data constitution, setting the rules for who can do what with which data and when. This framework ensures data is consistent, trustworthy, and not misused. It clarifies ownership, access, storage, security, and approved uses, transforming chaos into a reliable asset. Data governance brings structure and discipline to the data lifecycle. Without it, organizations face data swamps, duplicated, inconsistent, unreliable information. It creates a single source of truth, implementing policies for quality and integrity across the enterprise. For finance professionals, every report and decision relies on the quality of underlying data. Data governance safeguards this process, ensuring accuracy, timeliness, and completeness. It provides an auditable trail, building confidence in your decisions and reports. Strong governance unlocks innovation and efficiency, while protecting against regulatory fines, reputational damage, and costly mistakes. For modern finance professionals, advocating for data governance is central to your role. It's about creating value and mitigating risk in a data-driven world. Data governance is a human endeavor, requiring clear roles and responsibilities. At the top are data owners, senior leaders accountable for specific data domains like customer or financial data. Data owners set high-level policies and approve access, ensuring quality and ethical use. Data stewards, often subject matter experts, implement these policies, define data, monitor quality, and resolve issues. For finance professionals, being a data steward for financial data is a critical responsibility. Data custodians, usually IT professionals, manage the technical environment, databases, servers, and security controls. They ensure data infrastructure is secure and efficient, following the rules set by owners and stewards. Overseeing it all is the Data Governance Committee, a cross-functional group from business, IT, legal, and compliance. The committee sets strategy, resolves conflicts, and monitors effectiveness. This structure aligns data governance with organizational goals. Each role is essential for reliable, ethical data management. Finance professionals must understand and participate in this framework. Effective governance depends on collaboration across these roles. Data privacy is about the proper handling of personal information centered on people's right to control their data. Personal data includes names, emails, IDs, IP addresses, biometrics, and even combinations of demographic details. Companies must be transparent about what data they collect and why. Purpose limitation is key. Data must be protected, used only for stated purposes, and not kept longer than necessary. Privacy builds trust. Breaches or misuse can cause financial loss, reputational damage, and regulatory fines. For finance professionals, privacy is crucial for assessing risk and liability. Data privacy is increasingly recognized as a fundamental human right. It preserves autonomy and dignity in a world of constant data generation. Your decisions on data management directly impact these rights. Upholding privacy is both a legal and ethical obligation. Responsible data use is essential for trust in the digital economy. Two landmark laws shape global data privacy: Europe's GDPR and California's CCPA. GDPR applies to any organization handling EU residence data, enforcing principles like transparency, purpose limitation, and data minimization. It grants rights to individuals, access, correction, erasure, and portability, and imposes strict obligations and heavy fines for non-compliance. CCPA gives California consumers rights to know, delete, and opt out of the sale of their data, applying to businesses meeting certain thresholds. These laws set high standards and inspire similar regulations worldwide. Finance professionals must understand these principles. Your organization likely operates under their scope. Compliance impacts financial risk, operational processes, and project design. Embedding privacy by design is essential for navigating today's regulatory landscape. Cybersecurity and data privacy are distinct but interconnected. Cybersecurity protects data from attacks and unauthorized access. Think firewalls, encryption, and threat detection. Privacy governs how data is collected, used, and shared, ensuring it's handled appropriately and lawfully. You can't have privacy without strong cybersecurity, but good cybersecurity alone doesn't guarantee ethical data use. A company may secure its servers but still misuse personal data. Finance professionals must evaluate both. Are technical defenses strong? Are privacy policies clear and followed? comprehensive data protection requires robust security and principled privacy practices. Both are essential for managing risk and building trust. Data ethics goes beyond compliance, asking not just can we, but should we? Ethical data use means fairness, accountability, and transparency, avoiding harm and promoting well-being. Finance professionals must develop a strong ethical compass for responsible leadership. Ask, is this data collection necessary? Are we transparent? Have we considered potential harm like bias or misuse? New technologies, AI, big data, IoT, raise fresh ethical challenges, from algorithmic bias to consent and surveillance. Finance leaders will fund and use these tools. Applying an ethical lens is essential. Proactively identify and mitigate risks before launching projects. Innovation must serve humanity, not undermine it. We've explored the pillars of modern data management: governance, privacy, and ethics. Data governance is a business imperative, ensuring reliable, high-quality information for financial decisions. Championing governance is an investment in your work and your organization's integrity. Data privacy is about respecting people and meeting legal and ethical obligations. Understand the difference between cybersecurity and privacy. Both are vital for protection and trust. Legal compliance is just the starting point. True leaders operate with a strong ethical compass. As technology evolves, so do the challenges. Question assumptions, address bias, and balance innovation with responsibility. Finance professionals have the power to influence how data is used for good. Stay curious, keep learning, and always consider the human impact behind the data. Lead with integrity to build a trustworthy, responsible digital future.